Voices buried in endless night. Djembe calling from underground. Ancient thunder in a modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on cracked concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Skyscrapers bleed electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline roars like a battle cry. From the roots to the iron ear, we rise up from everywhere. Hear the rhythm in your bones. We are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a metal scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. and higher. Heartbeat, tribal, electric soul. Lose control, let it roll. This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. Living wild inside a dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant a seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. We ignite. From the ashes we ignite. Kick drum earth, I feel it shake. Every move is give and take. Steel and wood in collision sound. Rebel spirit all around. Scan step mixed with rage inside. No more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise. We are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame. Nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, guitar scream. Living wild inside a dream. Break the silence, let it bleed. Every rhythm plant a seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Boom, boom, earth collide. Engine power amplified. Skank it low, smash it high. Feel the storm inside your mind. This is jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. We are the storm that will survive. Ancient, future, one sound. Rise. Da-dum, 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 da-da, yeah. Da-dum, 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 da, yeah. Hey. 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 Ba-da-dum-bum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum-bum-bum, hey. I walk through ashes, I walk through steel. Every scar reminds me I feel. City screams, but the drum replies like a thunder buried in the sky. Broken systems, broken minds. Still the rhythm never dies. Reggae swing in a war machine. Something holy in between. Hear it knocking in my chest. This is more than just unrest. We are still and sacred fire, burning higher, rising higher. Djembe thunder, metal roar, breaking open every door. We don't bend, we don't fall. We are the sound that conquers all. We are the sound that conquers all. modern sound. I walk through fire, I walk through noise, searching for a stolen voice. Gangsta broken on crack concrete, but the rhythm won't miss a beat. Feel the earth beneath the rage. Turn the page, break the cage. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Skyscrapers bleed electric light, but the drum still owns the night. Every strike is a prayer in flame, calling freedom without a name. Guitar bends like a burning sky, bassline roars like a battle cry. From the roots to the iron air, we rise up from everywhere. Hear the rhythm in your bones. We are more than flesh and stone. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, living inside a fractured dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Break the wall, feel the call. Earth and steel collide and fall. We are the fire in the dirt, sound of liberation birth. Hey. 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 Feel it rise under my skin. The drums of war are burning in. No control, no fear inside, just rhythm that we cannot hide. This is a concrete ritual, spiritual yet brutal. Reggae soul with a mental scream, shattering the same old dream. We don't kneel, we don't fade. We are the sound that won't obey. Listen! The ground is breathing. Listen! The ground is breathing. ashes we ignite. I feel it shake, every move is give and take. Steel and wood in collision sound, rebel spirit all around. Skank step mixed with rage inside, no more places left to hide. Ancestors in the modern noise, we are the fire, we are the voice. Hands to sky, ground to flame, nothing here will stay the same. This is jungle voltage, reggae fire in a metal cage. Djembe thunder, it's a scream, living wild inside the dream. Break the silence, let it be. Every rhythm plant the seed. We rise together, no disguise. From the ashes we ignite. Jungle voltage. Reggae fire in a metal rage. Djembe thunder, chaos scream. We are more than what we seem. Break the chains, ignite the sound. Let the rhythm shake the ground. Forever wild, forever alive. We are the storm that will survive. meat. Yeah, skank groove in a metal frame, different sound but the blood is same. Djembe talks in a primal tone, says you were never alone. Let it echo through the steel and wire. This rhythm feeds the inner fire.